Toyota Semi-Automatic with 6-speed transmission. It can be Toyota, a lot of models, and also it can be Daihatsu Sharade or Subaru Trezia. So this code 21 or P0900. What it mean? It means that the motor on the clutch actuator is not good. Where is located? It's located there. Difficult to see, but you can see with the light. Okay? This is his clutch actuator, and this is the motor. What need to do? First of all, don't do any calibration on this car. It not need, because it has hydraulic system, and the hydraulic system it's self adjustment. No need any calibration on this car. If you have this code, remove the motor, clean it, check that the brushes, it has brushes. If not, call me, I have another one. It's possible to remove only motor. Yes, it's a little hard. If not possible, then you need to remove full actuator. Sometimes the bolt broken. Don't touch the hydraulic system. Remove hydraulic system. You see, 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt. You can keep it on the car and remove only mechanical system, and then remove the motor. That's all.